One of the funnest parts of the Christmas season is to go around and look at everybody's Christmas lights. So we pick a lot of different areas to look at lights. We do some tracking on the internet to see who has the best displays, and then we choose a night and we go out and just hunt for lights all night long. This year was no exception. We found some fantastic light displays and we had an absolute fabulous time. Join us as we take a tour of the 2020 Christmas lights and let's see what we can find.
That's what you want right there. Stable.
Yeah, I want reindeer in a stable. Oh yeah, we're going down.
Let's just come down here then. I mean, is that a sign? What does it say? Did they place?
Oh, this might have been declared the best street.
Okay.
Oh yeah. We got some gingerbread man. We got a horse over there. The candy castle. Santa. We got Santa up on the roof over there. We even got a bus over there. We got a unicorn.
I like Santa on the elephant.
We got some toy soldiers. Where's Santa on the elephant? Oh,
The big inflatable.
Oh, I see that.
Next to the 12 or 15 foot Santa.
Mailbox for your letter to Santa. 2020 has been quite the year, and I know we're all ready for it to be out of here and on our way to 2021. I just want to let you know that it's time to put aside all the pressure, all the stress, all the worries, and finish out 2020 with a bang, right? Enjoy Christmas. Enjoy New Year's. Enjoy looking at what's ahead, because this too shall pass, and we do have a brighter future ahead of us in 2021. So I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas from both myself and Eric. We've had a lot of fun this year. We've played a lot with a lot of fun kitchen gadgets, and next year will not be any different. I'm looking forward to seeing what comes along our way, to see what kind of tools we can discover, what kind of recipes we can learn to make, and how much fun we can have enjoying ourselves in the kitchen in 2021. I just want to once again wish you an absolute fabulous holiday. And we're going to be going live just before Christmas on Wednesday, the 23rd. So join us. We're going to have a good time, and we're going to kick off Christmas and also New Year's. So I'll be posting in the group and on the channel to let you know when that live stream will be. Again, Merry Christmas, and I hope you have an absolute fabulous one.